Guys, today we're going to show you how to properly destroy lead chemicals. Mark 2. So we're gonna go a bit easy on C4 this time, because last time my game was lagging like crazy, my computer's crying. I need advanced healthcare. Boom, that always works. Blowing generators off. I don't this door doesn't. TV screen's like so flat, but none of it does that. We'll do C4, but not a lot. Couple on each building. Keep a couple on each building at one time. Alright, go. Don't look back with an explosion. That's how you do it in movies. Did a pretty good amount of time. It should be costing $100,000 to repair. They fix these buildings fast. Every time you destroy them, they just regenerate. Like advanced healthcare for these buildings. Alright, that's enough for this time. Alright. Do it less next time. Let's try something else. Thermite cannon. Sounds good. Oh yeah. Gotta get some Medicare or Medicaid, whatever it is. But I'm busting in on this person. The tower, chemicals. Shouldn't have it, shouldn't I? Storage cell dedicated for them. That's random. I need that boat. Get a boat. I feel like that's a laggy one. Ah. He doesn't like these too much. Oh, I hacked this vehicle out. Haha. Oh, we gotta destroy this more. We gotta focus on destroying it. Get some 40mm. Alright, so laggy. This thing's still trying to come at me because I hacked the vehicle. I'd be actually really lucky, so. Ah, I'm in a pit. It's so dirty. Let's clean it. No, we're not cleaning it. We're destroying it. Don't do that. Ow. The monster energy of Teardown. We need more natural from, but that's good for now. I don't want my computer to crash in my Recording devices. We gotta destroy this quicker. Come on. No. Where is it? Yeah. I have to do a part 2 of this so my recording device doesn't die and I can restart the video again. I don't have USB-C in this room right now. Come on! Yeah! Alright, these are pretty stacked. I would say this is pretty, this is a fake truck. Oh my god, my little Glock. I'm laughing. Oh, this one's actually stacked. I stacked in the ATC a couple days ago. Go! Oh my gosh. Get this guy with the one pump. Overlocked. Let's go! Enemy acquired. Headshot. It's pretty fun. Little things. Let's go over to the dam. Damn, look at that dam over there. It's a nuke strike. Has like indestructible things on here. Run! Ah! Yeah, that thing's busted. I think that's enough for today. I'm gonna do a part 2 of this. Peace out.